Let's learn the English alphabet. A apple. A for apple. B bird. B for bird. C cat. C for cat. D dinosaur. D for dinosaur. E elephant. E for elephant. F frog. F for frog. G giraffe. G for giraffe. H helicopter. H for helicopter. I ice cream. I for ice cream. J juice. J for juice. K kite. K for kite. L lion. L for lion. M mango. M for mango. N notebook. N for notebook. O owl. O for owl. P pig. P for pig. Q quail. Q for quail. R ring. R for ring. S sheep. S for sheep. T tree. T for tree. U umbrella. U for umbrella. V violin. V for violin. W watermelon. W for watermelon. X